Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this cardboard Christmas tree. You will need green cardboard, glue, a marker, and some scissors. First, cut your Christmas tree stencil out of some card. Using the stencil and your marker, trace the Christmas tree design onto your green cardstock. Try to get as many pieces out of a single sheet of card as you can, so that we aren't wasting. Once you've traced out 6 identical Christmas trees, you're going to need to carefully cut them out with scissors. Next, we need to carefully and precisely fold our trees in half. Once that is done, you can use some glue to secure our trees together. Once they are all glued together, fan out the branches and your tree should stand up beautifully on its own. And just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own cardboard Christmas tree. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.